Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add additional lighting to your videos in the CapCut PC. So first, just add your videos into the CapCut PC timeline, and then here, click on the video, and you can find it under the basic tab in here, video basic. Just scroll down. Okay, scroll down and you'll find there is an option Relight. So to add additional lighting, just enable this feature, click on the checkbox, and here you can add a facial lighting, ambient or creative. So I'm going to add ambience here. So you can just choose the lighting to your liking. So for example, I'm going to add this yellow color lighting. So just download it first. So in here you can just wait until the processing is finished. You can see now the CapCut PC applying the relight. You can just wait until it finishes. But if you want to edit it more, you can just scroll down. Here you can see you can adjust each light. So there are three lights on this yellow light that I chose. You can change the type, point or directional. You can also change the object if you want to it apply to only the people, the background, or both. And you can also adjust the intensity of the lighting, intensity, radius, distance. So you can just edit it in here, but I'm going to just wait for the default settings here until it finishes. Okay, so now the lighting has been applied to the clips. You can always adjust it like this. You can also adjust the lighting by repositioning the circle in here. And you can also change the color. So for example, I'm going to change the color into yellow at the bottom. Just swipe the color. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.